A king and a queen wished for a child, a beautiful princess, so sweet and so mild. They named her Aurora, a ray of pure light, and held a grand feast with joy shining bright.
But a wicked old fairy named Maleficent came with a dark, evil curse, speaking Aurora's name.
On your 16th birthday, you'll prick your finger so deep and fall into a slumber, 100 years to sleep.
The king tried to save me, he burned every wheel. I grew up hidden, trying hard to conceal.
On my 16th birthday, I wandered so free and found an old tower just waiting for me.
Inside the dark tower, a spinning wheel stood, a magical force misunderstood.
Aurora reached out with a curious hand and pricked her finger as Maleficent planned.
I fell into slumber so gentle and deep. 100 long years I would quietly sleep.
Thorns grew around me so thick and so tall, protecting the castle, protecting us all.
Brave princes came forward to break the dark spell, but the thorns held them captive like a terrible hell.
Only true love could wake her, a kiss pure and true. 100 years passed, what else could they do?
Then I came a prince with a heart so brave and strong. I cut through